Hello. In this video, we'll see how to export initiatives in various formats. After performing your search in the Explore section, click on the Export button. Then select Export. You can export your data in 3 different formats: a text file with columns, a PDF with the content of initiatives, or a PDF status report. The text file with columns format allows you to work with your data in spreadsheet software like Excel. By clicking on Options, you can select the specific data you want to export. For optimal compatibility with Excel, go to the File Format section. Select the separator semicolon and enable doubling of characters to protect column delimiters. You can save this configuration as a template for future exports. Finally, click Export. The second available format is a PDF export of the initiative's content. Similarly, through the Options button, you can select the data to export, the layout of the document, and save your selection as a template. The last export format is the PDF status report. This report generates a document with 1 page per initiative. It features consistent positioning and spacing of information, regardless of the initiative's content. This format is particularly suitable for creating A3 size displays, making it easy and visual to communicate about initiatives and their progress on site. Numerous options are available to configure your PDF status report: layout of the document, font and color choices, content of the title zone, as well as the number of columns and their content. You can again save your configuration as a template for future use. In the Export dialog box, you'll find a list of templates for each format. These templates include both configurations you've saved in previous exports and predefined templates set by platform administrators. Lastly, you can also export an individual initiative directly by going to its page, clicking the Options button, and choosing to export the content or a status report in PDF format. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon.